What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Real Talk with Riri, and I am here to show off the Tandem box from Fancy Budgeting. Now, look, usually when people record and they're trying to show you stuff, they have to do it like up here and do it this way. Look, my setup is messed up. I'm in a different place, and I just can't. So rather than use it and not show it again, because I did show it on Instagram last night if you caught the midweek check-in, but I wanted to make sure that I showed her this. So Fancy Budgeting, she was on the podcast. Somebody brought to my attention that we didn't have that I never plugged the podcast in my regular like planner videos. But anyway, I have a plannerish podcast on Sunday nights at 9 p.m. with my co-host Coco, and we just talk about the planner community and things to kind of help us, get on the grind and all that stuff. So anyway, the point is, I opened it last night. Fancy was on the show, and so she has a budget planner, and she sells things that will help you with your budget. So this is the Tandem box. Really nice packaging. I could definitely see like keeping the box to put other stuff in. And she said, hey Pooh, congrats again on all of your most recent major life accomplishments. You are truly special. I hope you enjoy your Tandem box, especially that green washi, because since Rochelle at Scrapcraftastic, y'all can go check out her channel. Y'all know I stand over there. She had this green washi, and I was like, I gotta have it. And when I went to the show to buy it, she didn't have it, and I was so sad. So this is the green washi. It is, like I say, that Evelyn Hugo green, that Slytherin green and gold. I love it, and I wanted to use it today, which is why I could not put off, recording the video anymore. Hey, son. So this is black. You get both of them. You get the fancy and you get the deco. And then you get the red and the gold. So you get it the same way. So you got all three sets of washi. And you also get 3 notepads. These are not sticky notes. They are notepads. I wrote on them yesterday. They're really smooth, a really good quality. So you got the green, you got the red, and then you get the yellow. They're all 3 notepads. Then you get sticky notes. So I got 3 sticky notes. And they all say Fancy Budgeting. Very nice branding, consistent across it. And this is the one that I wrote on yesterday, but you can see it's not like super, super thin. It has some weight to it. You can hear it. Okay, so then this is the part where I kind of got shocked, because I'm like, oh, I thought it, I thought it would come, it's in the washi, maybe a notepad, but okay. So we got kits. I knew she had roses. I didn't know she had kits. Okay, so first we have the days of the week in the black and yellow, black and gold. And then we have the days of the week in like more gold, less black. You have boxes, deco boxes, like decorative functional boxes. Decorative functional shapes. Beautiful clusters. Individual roses. And some, it's upside down, and some deco, which Fancy is gonna, of course, look like luxury. I like that. And then I was surprised because I didn't even know she had dolls. So you got 6 on this one, 6 on this one. And then you get more functionals. You got appointment, important, deadline, headline. Meeting, intentions, reminder, priority, credit score, and measurements. Because, while it's cute, it is also functional for your financial and regular planning. And so then you have functional boxes and a washi strip. So, like I said, I was shocked. So then, not only did I get it in the gold, yellow, I also got it in red. You got the checklist again, days of the week, same format. just in different colors. So then you get the red roses with the gold trim. I really like that. I'm telling you, my Black History Month spread about to be fine. And that is why I'm like, let me hurry up and show this off. And again, decorative functional boxes. And then you got the deco. And this is right in time for Valentine's Day or maybe date night. Look at them little sexy drawers again. That's cute. Okay, then you got $6 on this one. Little thigh meat showing. Just in time for Valentine's Day, actually. Oh, and then you got them in the lighter tones. And then functional. All right, and then I'm like, okay, girl. She done showed out because now I got green. And this is like a brown, not quite chocolatey, not quite tan, like maybe burnt sienna. Look at me trying to use my crayon colors. And then that green. And then we have the green and gold. Oh, that green. More green and gold. The clusters. You see it. Functional shapes. Functional boxes. And then she give you the auntie vibe with the leopard print. And I was saying last night how, I don't know, do y'all know why I don't like? Okay, so I had a Wild at Heart planner from the Happy Planner for, it was like an 18-month planner, long time ago. And like I said, I'm a one planner girl, so I used the whole thing for 18 months. But I think about by 15 months, I was covering up everything that was animal print. I was like covering up the whole dashboard, making my own dashboard, taking out the inserts, putting my own inserts in. And I was just over animal print since then. But I'm finally coming up off of it. It's been a few years. And I think I can like it again. I'm really liking like zebra print, black and white with a pop of color. Anyway, that ain't got nothing to do with it. But anyway, she gave you the auntie vibe. Deco pieces. And again, all of it is very fancy. Don't she look luxurious? Don't she look like she about to be in the club talking about where my drink at? With the table in front of her with the little hookah thing. I don't be hookahing, but you get what I'm saying. That's what it looked like. It looked like lounge vibes. And I like that. And then you get them again in the lighter tones. Okay, ponytail. Girl, I'm notorious for a ponytail. I'm going to stick a picture in here so you'll see. I be wearing that ponytail, okay? And then you got the functional green and burnt sienna boxes. So, that wasn't even it. So then there were tiny sticky notes, like if you want to put like maybe a reminder on your monthly calendar. This is where my finances go. This is where it's, time to pay a bill. That's what I mean. Y'all know, payday, little reminders like that. I got them in green and gold and red, all three. Now y'all see what I was talking about. Oh, and here we also got just plain black sticky notes. Days of the week also. So that was at least 2, 4, 6, 7 weeks. So you can at least get almost 2 months worth of stuff with this box. Then I got the gold pen with the bling bling on the inside. And it has fancy budgeting. Like I said, consistent branding. I don't know if you can see that. Sparkle. And you get 2 refills to go with it. And then you got and some more checklists down here. You got the burnt sienna, the black, and the gold, yellow. And again, like I said, you can mark off like tabbed. You can tab it where you pay it. Reminder, like red is for this, gold is for that. Like red could be for household must pay. Green could be things that don't necessarily have to be paid, like a subscription, like you can cancel that. So all kind of ways to color code your planner. Then you get the scratch and save. She gave this out for the Real Estate Atlanta also. So basically what you do is on the back, you decide what you want to do. If you want to do a single dollar, $1, whatever, and then you scratch it and then you put how much you're going to save right here. So it's like a scratch and save, which is really good. And then the last thing was this super fancy calculator. Not only does it come with the calculator, it come with the stand. So you can really be in there doing your calculating your bills like a G, like a fancy. Okay? Because listen, I remember going in my mama on my mama desk playing with her calculator. She always had calculators around. And they were big like this, and they were solar. And I just remember being so amazed, like covering it up, watching the numbers disappear, and just pretending I was always teaching school and calculating money and pretending like my dolls was going to the store. So it does give me nostalgic vibes. But my mama ain't never had no calculator this fancy. It's a mirror. It's a mirror. Like, I can see myself. It's a good little desk accessory. And your boss won't even know you looking in the mirror. She'll just think you're trying to do something with the back of the calculator. I don't know. But I just wanted to make sure that I said thank you so much to Fancy Budgeting. Even though I had to do the video the wrong way. And I heard tell that she gonna be at Guap. So I'm really excited. If you don't know, Guap is Galentine's with a Plan. It's a really cute event put on by Planners and Tacos. Shanice, shout out to Shanice and Guap. So anyway, I just wanted to show all that off. So y'all go check out Fancy Budgeting if you need some cute stuff to go with your deco. Some cute deco to go with your finances, because maybe that'll make you want to work on your finances even more. Because baby, when I tell you a budget hate to see me coming, or I hate to see a budget coming, because what budget? Why we gotta do that? I mean, I know why, because we pretty rich, but money talk is hard. Anyway, thanks so much. Consider subscribing, liking, sharing. Shout out to Fancy Budgeting. If you made it all the way to the end, leave a green heart in the bottom, because Evelyn Hugo green is everything. All right, see you later. Bye.